If you want a rowing machine under $500 that you'll actually use consistently, prioritize quiet resistance, a stable rail, and a console that makes progress feel measurable, because the best rower is the one you don't dread getting on. The cool part is, in this list, the top few options don't just feel like budget picks, they feel like smart home gym upgrades. Number 7. Dripex rowing machines. The Dripex is the kind of rowing machine that looks like it checks every box on paper. Magnetic resistance, a dual slide rail, Bluetooth app support, and a stated 350-pound capacity. In practice, my first impression was that it's best viewed as a starter rower for people who want basic full-body cardio without spending much and who don't mind a few compromises in polish. It's functional, but it doesn't quite deliver that locked-in, gym-like feel you get from better engineered frames. What I did like right away is the adjustability. You get 16 levels of magnetic resistance, and for beginners, that's plenty of range to find a comfortable pace and keep your form clean. The dual rail design also helps the machine feel more stable than single rail budget options, especially when you're pushing with your legs and your stroke rate creeps up. For steady sessions, think 15 to 30 minutes. It's genuinely a decent way to get your heart rate up without pounding your joints. Now for the tested it for real downsides. The resistance feels fine in the middle levels, but at the top end it doesn't feel as demanding as you might expect if you're stronger or used to harder conditioning. Dripex mentions a 12-pound flywheel and 66 pounds of resistance. And while the rower is quiet, the sensation can still feel a little flat, compared to machines that ramp more naturally when you accelerate. If you're planning heavy power strokes and want that aggressive load, you may outgrow it. Another thing I noticed is the overall refinement. Little touches like the display experience and app connection matter more than you think. Dripex markets Bluetooth and an LCD monitor, and it's nice to have tracking, but the overall ecosystem doesn't feel as seamless as higher-ranked machines, where the resistance or training flow feels more integrated. Number 6. Ypoo rowing machine. The Ypoo comes in as another budget-friendly magnetic rower that aims to look more feature-rich than its price suggests. It's positioned as a quiet, 16-level machine with a 350-pound weight recommendation, and on day one, the ride is smooth enough that you'll think, okay, this is going to be great. But once you get past the honeymoon phase, a couple of practical quirks show up that matter for long-term use. Let's start with what works. The 16 resistance levels give you enough steps to dial in intensity for endurance rows or faster intervals, and the LCD monitor is designed to show multiple data points, time, strokes per minute, calories, and counts, so you can pace yourself instead of just guessing. Ypoo also leans into the idea of a compact, home-friendly footprint, including the ability to store it upright to save a lot of space. In my own sessions, the rower feels best in moderate intensity, where you keep technique clean, breathe steadily, and focus on consistency. The dual slide rails help stability, and for most beginners to intermediate users, the resistance range gives enough room to progress for a while. This is a get-the-work-done machine. Legs drive, core braces, arms finish, repeat. But here's where I get more critical. The overall budget build feel becomes more obvious the harder you push. The product dimensions and general frame layout are fine, but if you're the type who rows explosively, high power, high stroke rate, you may notice the experience doesn't stay as planted as the higher-ranked machines. It's not unsafe, it just doesn't feel as confidence-inspiring when you're going all out. Also, app and smart features are often mentioned around this category, but what matters is whether those features actually make training easier, not just whether they exist. Five. YOSUDA magnetic rowing machine. This YOSUDA magnetic rower is where the list starts to feel more reliable. Sturdier, simpler in a good way, and more consistent from workout to workout. One of the big reasons people buy YOSUDA in this price range is that they usually get the fundamentals right: quiet magnetic resistance, an LCD monitor, and a tablet holder, so the machine fits into real home life. In my testing, it felt like a strong default choice for most households. Resistance-wise, YOSUDA emphasizes a 10-pound flywheel and 16 levels of adjustable resistance on at least one of their magnetic rower models. And that's a sweet spot for progressive training. I could do light recovery rows, moderate steady-state cardio, and then bump it up for harder intervals without feeling like the dial did nothing. The transitions aren't instant like an electronically controlled rower, but they're predictable, and predictability is what keeps you consistent. The frame and rail length matter a lot for comfort, and YOSUDA's longer slide length makes it easier for taller users to row without feeling cramped. They also call out a 49.2-inch slide length and a 350-pound capacity for one of these models. And that generally tracks with the family-friendly vibe. Multiple users in the same home, different heights, different fitness levels. When I swapped users, it didn't feel like we had to make it work. For daily usage, the monitor is basic but practical. Distance, time, counts, calories. I like that because it keeps you focused on consistency rather than fiddling with settings. Pair that with a tablet holder and you've got the perfect setup for long aerobic rows while watching a show or guided workouts on your phone. Number 4. MERACH Q1S. The MERACH is where things start feeling more smart gym than budget equipment. MERACH highlights built-in Bluetooth, compatibility with apps like KinoMap, and a 16-level magnetic resistance system. And that matters because it nudges you into training with structure instead of just rowing randomly. In actual use, I noticed it's the kind of rower you're more likely to come back to because it feels modern and engaging. A standout detail is that MERACH positions the Q1S around electromagnetic flywheel hardware and app connectivity, which can translate to smoother control and a cleaner experience than purely mechanical-feeling budget machines. The specs listed by MERACH include a 3 kilograms electromagnetic flywheel, 16 levels of auto-magnetic resistance adjustment, and a 350-pound capacity. That combination gives it a stable, confident feel for most users while keeping noise down. I also appreciate when a rower shows useful metrics, because rowing without feedback is like driving without a speedometer. MERACH lists console tracking that includes SPM and 500 meters pace, which are the numbers that actually help you row with intention. When I used it for intervals, pacing felt more straightforward because I could see whether my stroke rate was creeping up as I got tired. Another practical advantage is the form factor and weight. One MERACH listing gives a net weight around 22.7 kilograms, which is manageable for moving around a home gym area. It's still sturdy when you're rowing, but not the kind of machine that feels impossible to reposition if you need your space back. That balance matters if your gym is also your living room. The only reason this isn't higher is that the top 3 deliver either a more proven classic experience or a better overall blend of comfort, tracking, and training ecosystem. But for a smart-feeling rower under $500, the Q1S is absolutely in the conversation. 3. YOSUDA H185. The YOSUDA is a no-nonsense magnetic rower that feels like it was designed around the basics. Quiet resistance, straightforward tracking, and enough rail length for taller users. It uses an 8-level magnetic resistance system and a 10-pound flywheel, and during my sessions it felt smooth and consistent, especially for steady cardio and light to medium intensity training. If you want something dependable without a steep learning curve, this one delivers. Comfort-wise, the H185's longer rail is a real quality-of-life feature. One detailed review notes assembled dimensions around 74.8 inches long and user height accommodation up to 6'6", and that tracks with how it felt. I could extend comfortably without having to shorten my stroke. The footrests are pivoting with straps, which helps keep your feet secure while your legs drive the movement. The monitor is basic: time, distance, strokes, calories, and I actually think that's a positive for many people. When I tested it, it was easy to glance down, check my time and distance, and keep going. The same review points out it doesn't show things like split time and it's not backlit, which is true to the experience. It's functional, not fancy. Where the H185 shines is quiet operation and simplicity. Magnetic resistance tends to be apartment-friendly, and this model is often described as extremely quiet and smooth. In real use, that means early morning rows are realistic without feeling like you're starting a lawnmower indoors. The reason it lands at number 3 instead of number 1 is progression. With 8 levels of resistance, advanced users may eventually want more intensity or a more training-focused console. But as a reliable, comfortable, quiet rower that fits many body types, it earns its spot near the top. 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Rowing Machine, SFRW52321. This Sunny Health feels like a grown-up home machine, stable, quiet, and designed for repeatable training. It offers 16 levels of magnetic resistance and an extra long 50-inch rail, and when I pushed through longer workouts, it stayed smooth without feeling flimsy. The dual rail system also adds to that planted feel, especially when your stroke gets faster. What I like most is how training-focused the console and metrics are. Sunny lists tracking for time, distance, calories, total counts, SPM, and even 500-meter pace, which is huge because those are the numbers rowers actually use to pace and improve. In practice, that means you can set a target, like holding a consistent stroke rate for 10 minutes, and measure whether you're getting better week to week. Comfort is another strong point. Sunny mentions a molded, padded seat and a handlebar designed to reduce wrist strain, and that kind of ergonomic thinking makes a big difference when you row frequently. My longer sessions felt more comfortable because I wasn't constantly shifting around to find a better position. Then there's the connected fitness angle. Sunny includes access to the Sunny Fit app with lots of on-demand content and world tour-style workouts, and it supports pairing with a separate heart rate monitor for more accurate stats. Even if you don't use the app every time, having the option makes motivation easier on days you're not feeling it. The only reason this isn't number 1 is that the top pick edges it out with an overall package that feels even more tuned for a modern home gym experience. But if you want quiet, stable, and metric-rich under $500, Sunny absolutely earns this spot. 1. MERACH Rowing Machines. MERACH takes the number 1 spot because it blends the quiet smoothness you want from magnetic rowing with a more modern, app-forward experience that makes you actually stick to training. In the Q1S line, MERACH describes Bluetooth connectivity, compatibility with KinoMap, and detailed console metrics like SPM and 500-meter pace. Those details translate to a more guided, purposeful workout experience. When I tested MERACH-style training sessions, it felt less like random cardio and more like progressing through a plan. A big part of why it wins is how it feels during resistance changes and different workout styles. With 16 levels of magnetic resistance and a higher-end control concept, including electromagnetic flywheel elements in the Q1S ecosystem, you can do easy recovery rows, tempo work, and short intervals without the machine feeling lost. That flexibility matters if multiple people share the rower or if you personally switch between fat loss cardio and performance-style training. The stability and capacity are also strong for the price bracket. MERACH lists a 350-pound weight capacity for the Q1S series, and the overall double rail approach helps keep the stroke feeling stable. In real use, that means you can focus on your leg drive and posture instead of thinking about whether the machine is wobbling. Finally, MERACH is the pick I'd recommend for the most people because it supports consistency. When the machine is quiet enough to use anytime, tracks the metrics that matter, and plugs into training content you'll actually follow, you row more, and that's what changes your fitness.